What can you do with 500,000 Jamaican dollars? You can start a virtual call center. But you will need to secure one contract, preferable sales, an auto dialing, lease a piece of land from a sale by owner, or you can lease one from the National Land Agency. Start a business consultancy and automation business, where you help businesses become digitized. You can register your company, create business cards, start a website, buy video and social media ads. This is a fairly fresh field, as most business consultants are focused on vague and cookie-cutter techniques. You could use digital and technological platforms to offer better products at affordable prices. Start a peer lending platform. Loan small, $10,000 loans. Or deposit the funds in a business account and borrow $5 million from the bank. Make your money work for you. You can invest it in the JSE index stocks. You can also open a Supreme Ventures outlet. Buy and resell products that are in high demand. New gadgets, appliances, tools, solar appliances are a big thing. You can purchase these in bulk on AliExpress. You can also purchase clothes in bulk and resell, like the ladies who sell cheap and clean on the road. Toolsland is another company that offers a wide range of New World technological gadgets that will make great products to sell. Find unique products and resell using an IG store, or set up an automated Shopify store. 500,000 Jamaican dollars might be able to get you a franchise. Maybe a good business online that you can replicate Jamaica or your country. There are many franchises available for sale online. Do a thorough research and see if it would be a great fit for your area. All you need is one office space, a good online app, and team with the same business goals. Start a small eco-tourism business. Do you know a nice spot that you allot with your friends? Maybe you can collaborate with transportation owners, recreational outlets, and tourist spots to offer package deals to your clients. You will need a website. Yes, you can compete with bigger companies because you have less overhead cost and you outsource every aspect of the business and charge a small commission fee. And you will of course make money off tips. Find some off-grid place, or little-known heritage site, some interesting landscape from the past, or a small spring in a rural community.